super crush. Sarah Geronimo hindi na naitago ang kanyang excitement at kilig nang mapag-usapan ang bagong love daw niya. At ang pangalan nito, nagsisimula raw sa letter R.
Si Robert Pattinson. Oo. Si Edward Cullen. The first time I watched Twilight, naging crush ko na si Robert Pattinson.
Super celebration! This July 25, turning 22 na si Sarah at ang balak daw niya ay mag-spend ng kanyang special day kasama ang mga mahal niya sa buhay.
Siguro po sa bahay lang, get together lang with my family and friends. Ganyan po, dinner.
Meron ka bang gustong matanggap or bilhin para sa sarili?
Gusto ko sana bumili po ng sasakyan.
Super experts! Nireveal din ni Sarah ang isang exciting secret. Ang expertise ng mga world-renowned hair experts mai-experience na sa bawat bottle ng best ever range ng Sunsilk, made suitable for all types of Filipina hair.
Launch po itong mga Sunsilk Co-Creations variants co-created by the hair experts na sila Teddy Charles and si Yuko Yamashita as a brand ambassador. It's really amazing kasi they are hair experts from around the world at talagang I'm very fortunate that I was given a chance to work with them.
And more good news from Sarah. Dahil ang complete expert experience ay nagsisimula sa hair analysis at pag-alam ng specific hair types, Sunsilk came up with a one-stop pop-up salon, ang Sunsilk Expert Salon.
Sunsilk Expert Salon, meron pong mga consultations po para sa buhok ninyo and meron ding hair makeover. So, it's really something to look forward to para sa ating mga Pinay. Yes, yung pop-up salon po ay makikita po natin nationwide. Mag-umpisa po dito sa Metro Manila, then Visayas and Mindanao. Abangan niyo po ang pag-ikot ng Sunsilk Expert Salon sa inyong paboritong malls nationwide. Be among the first to flaunt your expert touched hair.
Sunsilk brings together world hair experts Yuko Yamashita and Teddy Charles to co-create the best ever Sunsilk for Filipinas.
I learned that the warm weather makes Filipina hair rough and frizzy.
I learned that Filipinas try different things to make the hair straight, but these make hair look stiff.
That's why they co-created the best ever Sunsilk to make Filipina hair straighter, smoother, and more beautiful.
For expert touched hair, like us on Facebook.